Move!
Sorry about losing that last one, boys.
Shut up, you're on the losing team.
Shut the fuck up, you stupid fucking cunt.
Okay, he got you there. You gotta give it to him. Oh, whoa.
God.
Shoot me, I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, fuck you, bit.
I reported you.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, okay.
It's really
No,
messed up that you did that. I didn't even
No, I don't give.
I'm loading!
it's really messed up that you just... You could've just muted. But I hate you.
Cause y'all all are fucking pussies and that's all you guys got. You ain't got no fucking dicks.
Yeah, you're damn right.
So what, bro? What about like having a pussy, bitch? Yeah, you like having a little stick down there, you little man. Yeah, cock and balls, huh, pal? Yeah.
Hey, Lone Wolf, are you watching this right now? Are you watching your asshole get raped by me? Are you watching this?
You know, it's pretty fucking gay if you're trying to fucking rape some dude's ass. Just saying.
Is there something wrong with being gay? Wow.
Yes.
It is,
Wow, this guy's a bigot.
it is progressive. It is...
Oh, you're a
White
bigot,
boy.
bro.
That's cool.
Bigoted.
Stupid bigot, stupid bigot.
We've accepted that
Fucking
word,
bigot.
just by the way.
Booger bigot, booger bigot, booger bigot.
Why is this guy being such a bigot? I think he's mad because he lost the last game. This guy's a fucking incel. Still exists. Loading weapon.
Okay, I'm on Alpha! Alpha's clear, we got it! Come on, we gotta move!
Can we vote to kick people in this?
يا إخوة